Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. Today we're in the residence home inside of the kitchen, and we're dealing with a malfunctioning garbage disposal. So let's take a look at that now. Okay, when we hit the switch, we're not getting anything. We're getting a light hum. So let's go down to the bottom and check that out. Okay, we're at the bottom sink area. Garbage disposal doesn't look too bad, but that mounting bracket may have to be replaced in the immediate future. Okay, so now let me look at the bottom. Let's see. We're looking for the reset, and that's there. That's reset. Okay. But let me give you a bird's eye view. That's a bad picture. Okay, this is a much better view. There is the reset button for the bottom of the garbage disposal. And this in the very center is where we will use an Allen key, a 1/4 inch size Allen key. And let's grab that now. Okay, we have our 1/4 inch size Allen key, but before we insert this key, we will unplug the unit. Let's do that now. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we will simply unplug that now. Okay. That's unplugged now. We will go back to the bottom of the garbage disposal. Now here we are at the bottom of the garbage disposal again, and we will take our 1/4 inch size Allen wrench key and insert it as such. And you, the homeowner, can do this easy. Take it, and you're gonna turn it. It's a little stuck. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, go back the other way a little bit. Okay, let's see. All I'm doing is okay, that feels like it's unstuck. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll plug everything back up. Let's do that now. Okay, what we're gonna do before we run this, we're gonna add some Dawn dish soap. Squeeze some of that in there if we can. Okay, hold on, might have to open this up. One moment. Okay, we're back. So now what we're gonna do, we just took the top off, and this is some Dawn. You can use any dish soap. And the only thing we're doing is lubricating the garbage disposal. You know, I'm gonna turn on some water. Let that get sudsy. And we just want to give it some lubricant. Pour a little more in there. Okay, now let's go ahead and try our garbage disposal. Okay, let's investigate that a little further. Okay, now we're back and we have our garbage disposal working. Let's show you that again so you can see it yourself. Okay, so let's turn on our garbage disposal. Okay, you can hear it spinning. Everything. Let's run some water in there. Turn it on again. There she goes. All right. Okay, with that being said, our homeowner should be happy. The garbage disposal is working up like it should. And let's get out of here and go to our next job. So with that being said, think safe and be safe. And not to forget, please hit that like and subscribe. Talk to you later. On to the next job.